All right, guys. So a little update on the motor that's down there. Um, so I brought the motor home, or this part of it, the whole cylinder and head and everything. And I took the one of these pistons and I tried to fit it in there, and it won't work because this is like a 50 point like 6, 7, 8, whatever it is, and this is only a 50 millimeter, so it's too small. I don't know, it's like for an 8 horsepower or like maybe a early 9.8 horsepower motor or something like that. So anyways, I just ordered a piston kit, or sorry, a ring kit for these pistons. This one is a little bit scored right there, but it's not too bad. Um, so I'm just gonna run with these. Um, this one is a little mushroomed on the top, but it is what it is. They'll be fine. I just gotta, I don't know, soak this in something, or figure out how to get these rings off. But I did order a ring kit for these because I actually did find the right pistons, and to get a new set, it was like just for the one set, it was $100. So I would have been like over $200 into that. Where I just found a ring set, which was pretty cheap. It was half the price of those. So I don't know. I might have to keep those. Depends on how much it costs to ship them back. But it is what it is. So um, I do have the right stuff coming. Should be here middle of next week. So like just under a week from now. It is actually about to be Memorial Weekend when I'm making this, which means a nice long weekend. So I'm gonna get a lot of stuff done. Just trust me on that. I'm actually gonna repaint this motor. I gotta get the cover on, of course. I don't want to paint in there, but I'll get it all together. I'll clean up in there and stuff, and get that all painted because you can see how it's kind of just not painted right there, but the front is. So anyways, I'm gonna get everything together in here and get all that stuff painted. See, I want to sandblast either tomorrow night or Friday, and if I sandblast tomorrow night or Friday morning, whatever, I should be able to get it painted the same day. So I'll get paint for this motor tomorrow. I am using different paint. And this motor, I will be finishing tonight. That's a fact because it needs to be done. I took 2 days off pretty much just because I was really tired from work, yada, 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 yeah, whatever. And I'm back to the grind. And I will be definitely painting this one, and I will start putting it together. Hopefully, I can get as far as painting that cover too, because this one took a lot of work. But how sick would it be to have two freshly painted, like pretty much matching motors? Obviously, a little bit different because like I'm pretty sure this one's a 73 and that's a 75. Something like that, based off the serial numbers. This one's definitely older, but it seems fairly cleaner. Like that one was left outside. But anyways, my SD card's gonna run out soon if I keep talking. But yeah, I definitely wanna get that painted for sure. And then, so if I get all that done by Friday, it's Wednesday right now. But so finish that tonight, start that tomorrow or Friday. It's definitely gonna be painted by Friday. Hopefully the cover doesn't take too long, but at least get the bottom part of the motor painted and start rebuilding it, like the lower unit and everything. And hopefully I can get everything back together besides the motor, but everything but the top. So, from here down should be together, and then I just have to, drop the motor and whatnot. Or I guess the motor kind of bolts it together or something, but at least get the whole like lower part of it done, if you guys know what I'm saying. Actually, I don't know if I can because of the drive shaft and stuff. So anyways, I'll get it all painted and for sure put the lower unit together then. So I look forward to that. And then, probably start working on the four-wheelers. If not, you guys will see something else. So, you know, just stay tuned. Trust me, I'm gonna start getting all this stuff done. I definitely got a lot to do, so here goes the battle. Alright guys, so back to painting up the motor here. So after I wet sanded it all down, I just finished spraying the third coat on it, and it turned out really good so far, except for right here. I messed up again and I made it run, but I think I kind of recovered from it, so it looks good enough. I mean, it does kind of have a weird spot on this side, just up here. But I mean, right there, down there, and then the rest of the top, and that little spot right there. Like all the other spots turned out really good, where you wouldn't even have, like you can't even tell that there was a run there before. It's just this spot looks like, I don't know, it looks a little rough. But it's good enough. I'm just gonna put one more coat over it, and then call it good. So that no problems there. So that's good. So clearly I just sprayed it too fast the last time. And then to cover here, I taped off where all the original blue is, as you can see. And then you can tell how the mercury turned out kind of, but it's gonna look way better with all the tape off. So what I gotta do, I did it all the way around actually. So I did the back here, that's all taped off. Yep, and then over here, around there and up there. This side was really faded. So I just gotta scuff that and then wax and grease remove it, clean it up. And then that'll be ready for paint. So it's getting done tonight, guys. So I'm gonna scuff that up real quick and then get back to you. Alright guys, so update on the motor that you guys have all been waiting for. It is all finished. And here is how it turned out. It looks really nice. No complaints. Like, this is exactly how I wanted it to look. I mean, I guess the silver could have been a little different, but it looks just so much better. And the top, and especially the front with that new what do you want to call it, like the emblem, looks really nice. So really happy with how it turned out, and that's all good. And yeah, so the only thing I gotta do to this now is take the cover off and just clean up in there the grease and the dirt, and it's all done. And so now next I'm gonna do the gas tank here, and it's really rough, so clean it up, sand it down, and repaint it. And hopefully the gas doesn't wreck the new paint. Paints are pretty resistant to chemicals anyways and stuff, so I think it'll be fine. So time to work on this now.